When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way.
Hello sa lahat, nandito naman ako para sa tanong mo, sagot ko. Ang question natin ngayon is, paano maglagay ng hashtag sa title ng video mo? Ang tanong na to is from Manay Ipin Vlogs. So here are the steps on how to put hashtag on the title of your video. Number 1. Click Manage Video. Number 2. Under the dashboard, select Content. Number 3. On the channel content, choose a video you want. Number 4. Click the edit icon. Number 5. Type hashtag after the title. Make sure there's no space between the hashtag and the name. Number 6. Click Save. Let's check. So, tingnan natin kung nakalagay na ba ang hashtag sa title. Ayan, tingnan mo, naka-blue na si hashtag madamvirtud. So, yan lang ang paglagay ng hashtag sa title. Ayan. Salamat Manay Ipin sa tanong mo. Ayan. At yan lang. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell of notification. See you next video.
I can see what comes my way.